Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Following that, to edit one of your passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, to save your changes, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!